Well, different people have a different idea about this picture. I have my own idea. I would like to say that what can I see on this picture? This picture mainly provided that the weekly sales data for 5 weeks. The first week is the 23, 20, 49 to 95 and the 63 and the 98. The highest percentage is the 80. And the second week, the highest percentage is the 79. And the third week is the highest percentage is the 73. The lowest percentage is the 4 week, the 21 and 5 week, the theory. In conclude, we can see there are different types of color like blue, yellow, red, purple, and also black.